5 most dangerous places you will find in Cape Town, part 1. And number 1, if you live in Kraaifontein. Bro, it's in the name. Go cry, bro. Because the minute they rob you there, you're gonna be crying for real. Number 2, you have Khayelitsha. Bro, if you wanna lose your car, your phone, your wallet, you wanna lose everything your whole life, go to Khayelitsha, bro. See if you're gonna come back alive. Number 3, you have Delft. If you walk into Delft and somebody call you and you look at them, it's game over, bro. Forget about your life. Forget that you're living. Then you have Philippi. If somebody tells you, take off your clothes, take off everything that you have, and you tell them no, you do not care about your life. You telling them, yes, kill me. That's what you're telling them. By saying no, you're telling them, yes, kill me. Then you have the Cape Flats. The Cape Flats is a movie place, bro. They try to do things that they do in the movie. Not any movie, action movies, bro. Like, literally, bro.